Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock and Crypto World with VJ. Today we're diving into a significant development in the crypto world involving Binance US and CoinMarketCap. A US appeals court has partially overturned the dismissal of a class action lawsuit against these crypto giants, focusing on alleged price manipulation of the HEX token. Let's break down the key points and see what this means for the crypto market. First, a bit of background. In 2021, Ryan Cox filed a class action lawsuit against Binance Capital Management and Binance US. He accused them of manipulating HEX's ranking on CoinMarketCap, a digital asset price tracking platform owned by Binance. Cox claimed that HEX was the best performing cryptocurrency of 2020 and alleged that the defendants unlawfully suppressed HEX's value for their financial benefit while inflating the value of other cryptocurrencies. In February 2023, a district court judge dismissed the case, stating that Cox had not proven a direct connection between Binance US's activities and Arizona, where the case was filed. However, the appellate court reversed this decision on August 12th. The court noted that the district court had personal jurisdiction over the defendants due to their significant presence in the US. The panel of judges concluded that the district court had personal jurisdiction over the US defendants because they had sufficient contacts with the United States to satisfy due process. This means the case has been sent back for further legal action, and Cox's claims of price manipulation against Binance US will be reconsidered. HEX is a digital asset launched in 2019 by Richard Hart. Since its launch, HEX has been the subject of several controversies and has been labeled a security token by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Hart has also faced legal troubles, being sued for violating federal securities laws and defrauding investors of at least $12.1 million. This lawsuit and the court's decision highlight the ongoing scrutiny and legal challenges facing the crypto industry. It raises important questions about the integrity and transparency of digital asset platforms and the need for regulatory oversight to protect investors. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Stock and Crypto World with VJ. Your support helps us bring you the latest in stock and crypto news. And remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.